life I lead in this city.
Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So, as you must have seen that we're traveling somewhere and that place is Goa. Yes, we are back to Goa, I know. We just went in Jan, but right now we are here with Airbnb and Goa Tourism. And we are here to explore the unseen side of Goa, that's South Goa. So we've never been to South Goa. Wherever we've come to Goa, we've only come to the north. And I've only heard that South Goa is even more beautiful and has so many more things to do. So here we are with Airbnb, and we've just checked into our Airbnb, and as usual, it's so beautiful, so beautiful. We have a lot of creators with us and we have some media people with us, so it's going to be a very different kind of a trip, but I'm so excited because बहुत कुछ नया करने मिलने वाला है, बहुत कुछ नया सीखने मिलने वाला है, देखने मिलने वाला है. So it's going to be fun, and plus आदि मैडी है हमारे साथ. So of course when the four of us are together we are just crazy. So we just reached the villa. We have an event in the evening, but right now we are just headed for lunch. Lunch करके थोड़ा सा relax करेंगे. सुबह 6:30 बजे से निकले हुए हैं and फिर event पे जाएंगे.
That is behind Adu is the entry to the room, and this is attached. What do you call it? Patio? Patio?
I don't know what a patio is. Too fancy for me. हमारे पास terrace है.
Attached terrace. You can call it attached. Big open balcony.
Yeah. It's so beautiful, yeah. It's so beautiful.
We have talented, the great Adi.
Not so talented.
नाम तरी चांगलं घेतलं ना.
The great.
बंद नाच रहा है मेरा. पैसा दो बंद नाच उसका पैसा दो.
And Adi Madi are here to explore our room. I want to stay here. Insane, right? Okay, so we are ready now and we're headed for the event. थोड़ा सा घाई में है इसलिए फटाफट vlog कर रहे हैं. But this is my outfit, my full outfit.
So chic, so smart.
So we were supposed to wear smart casuals for this event. So this is what I'm wearing. It's a waistcoat and nice pants. मुझे full ऐसे मेरे corporate days याद आ रहे हैं. And I'll show you what May is wearing. Handsome as always.
Linen is the way to go.
I agree. मैंने ही आदत लगाई ना तुझे. काफी महंगी आदत लगाई. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Okay, so we are here waiting to meet Mr. Deo. Oh shit.
Which one? Sally, Bobby,
Which Deo is here?
Abhi Dev.
Then
Mentally the sick.
Don't say anything after that.
he's the mentally the sick.
Abhi Dev will promise in the What was his name in the movie?
Arjun.
Arjun.
No.
Arjun is that one.
Arjun was Hrithik
Kabir.
Roshan.
Kabir.
No.
Nahin, Kabir.
Clearly नींद नहीं आ रही हमें. मतलब बहुत नींद आ रही है पर टाइम पास खत्म नहीं हो रहा. What is this supposed to mean? Also, we just completed 100K on Instagram and feeling so good. It's something that we've been waiting for so long. Finally, इधर आज हो गया and सबको वीडियो कॉल किया. आई पापा मम्मा पापा पीयूष अंकल भावना आंटी सबको. So yeah, feeling nice. ये लोग कल सुबह जल्दी निकलना है. चलो चलो पहिला झोपायला. कुछ आता भी है क्या तुम लोग को? कुछ आता नहीं है. What are we doing now? Just chilling by the pool. अच्छे से पूल में पैर डाल के बैठे हैं. This is the pool. Hi. मैडी सो गई है.
Day 2 in Goa. We're checking out of this beautiful Airbnb and going to another one. And also before that, we'll be going to a place for breakfast, जो काफ़ी सुंदर है. So we're excited about that. एक और चीज़ जो काफ़ी सुंदर है is my beautiful wife, Adu. Look how pretty she is looking.
So they've told us where they're taking us, and all these places are ऐसे कि यार इतने साल गोवा आ रहे हैं, ये पता ही नहीं है जगह, and इतनी सुंदर जगह. Loaded now and ready for our first destination. Hi guys, good morning.
Good morning. Good morning.
Is Maddie hungry?
Yes.
Yeah, I'm very hungry.
And our destination is about 30 minutes away, so we'll keep Maddie entertained now. Your husband already working away. Hi. Also hungry right now, so if you know, you don't talk to Virgos when they are hungry. हंस रहा है देख कैसे. Anybody is ever marrying a Virgo, please come to me and Adi for tips. Please, you'll need them. This is where we are. That's the menu. Have you decided yet?
I think we're having avocado toast.
Oh wow, veg. मतलब तू eggs नहीं खा रहा?
Chicken avocado toast.
What? Okay, so we had come to this place for breakfast, and it was so delicious. I think we are a group of like 13 people, and जितने भी लोगों ने मंगाया, everything was nice. I personally had the avocado toast, and probably one of the best avocado toast because it had chili oil, and I love chili oil. So it was really nice. The ice latte was nice. May had what did you have that you like?
Roasted chicken sandwich.
Yeah, he had that roasted chicken sandwich and he loved that. Although किसी और ने order किया था तो उसने आधा खा लिया, फिर उसको realize हुआ ये तो मेरा order है ही नहीं, and then उन्होंने share कर लिया, so that was like a ice breaker or like a bread breaker for them. So yeah, so that's how things are rolling. It's too much fun. We're getting to know people. इतने सारे लोग हैं, इतने अच्छे लोग हैं, इतनी बातें हो रही है. It's like a, and you know how much I love talking to people and like having many people around. So I think this trip is perfect for me. Plus we all were staying in the same Airbnb, and now we've checked out and we are going to another place, and it's going to be a different Airbnb. इसमें आदि and Maddie थोड़े दूर है हमसे, दूसरे Airbnb में है. And this is May's look. Wow, looking dapper.
Linen fever. Only issue with linen is कि बहुत easily crease हो जाता है.
But it looks so cute. And it's looking so nice.
और ये आदत, ये महंगी आदत है मेरी वाइफ ने मेरे को.
Take full credit for this.
This is how my wife is looking. Pretty, as always.
We are currently tripping on the whole Arya Kothari trend of saying,
That's right, you're really smart.
and every time anybody is saying anything, you're just like, that's right, you're
You're
really,
really
smart.
smart.
Which college are you? Which college are you from?
Which college are you?
Yeah, she's
That's why you're really smart.
She is really smart.
Which college are you from?
Sophia's
Oh, that explains.
explains it. If you don't know, please उसको follow करो और उसके videos देखो. They are so funny.
We've literally been tripping only on that, and you will see a lot of this in this trip.
That's right, you're really smart.
आदि एक बार बोलना है, आदि बोल ही नहीं रहा, ऐसा क्यों? Because he thinks he's really smart.
That's right, you're really smart.
ये तेरा कैरी, छोटा कैरी.
So we're on a 100-meter hike. What I'm happy about this hike is that it will help us digest our food. Because अभी कुछ देर पहले हमने breakfast किया था.
And अभी यहाँ पे 7-course meal है, and it looks really beautiful
Yeah.
from what we've seen. So excited, but पेट में थोड़ा जगह तो करे. So we've reached the place. It looks fantastic. Look at the table spread. बहुत सुंदर है. This is our welcome drink. is it looks like. We'd gone to this one place, you remember?
Amazing.
How do you like it?
It's amazing.
I knew you would like it because
This is so good. I can eat this 7 course. All the same.
okay, so we're done with lunch. Kafi kha liya. 7 courses is a lot. I'll see you at the Airbnb. Okay, so we've checked into our Airbnb. काफ़ी टाइम हो गया एक्चुअली, दो ढाई घंटे हो गए. बट हमने एक बहुत क्यूट सी रील का आइडिया सोचा था बिकॉज द प्रॉपर्टी दैट वी आर स्टेइंग इन दिस Airbnb इज अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 125 years old. So it's a very like vintage property from what you can see, right? It's a पौराणिक टाइप का. And so we wanted to make like a very like interesting reel. I think the reel might be out by the time this vlog goes, so go check that out for sure. And so yeah, it's 7:15. In 15 minutes we have to leave. I had thought that हम थोड़ा 15-20 minute rest कर लेंगे, but I don't think so. I have to go change now, and then we're going for a dinner with drawing, like what is it called?
Sip and paint.
Sip and paint. It's going to be interesting again. So yeah, let's go. So this is what my artwork looks like. That's Maze. Love it. It's so beautiful. That is Adi's.
Nicely done.
Nicely done.
Very
That's
nice. Right. Got
right.
some good singers.
And that's Maddie's. Okay, so we are all ready. मैंने बाल ऐसे बांधे बिकॉज मेरे बालों की पूरी तरह से वाट लग चुकी है. वाट दैट इज़ बिकॉज कल हमने जो रेजन आर्ट किया उसमें मेरे बालों पे रेजन लग गया है. क्लम्जू आद्या. सो उस वजह से देर आर सम एंड्स जिसमें अभी रेजन है. आगे जो लगा था मैंने उसको खींच खींच के निकाल तो दिया है. सो या एंड ऑल्सो दैट सो सनी कि बाल पूरी तरह से ख़राब ऑयली फ्रिजी हो चुके हैं. बट ऑल्सो कि मुझे सुबह धोना नहीं था क्योंकि वो धोना फिर सुखाना फिर इतना बड़ा प्रोसेस नहीं करना था. सो हम लाइक आज जस्ट ऐसे थोड़ा सा बन हाफ बन ऐसे करके जी लेंगे एंड फिर कल निकलने से पहले धो लूँगी. ओके, सो दैट्स द हेयर सिचुएशन. TMI. Other than that, we are ready. It's going to be a very, very nice long day. By the way, this is the Airbnb. It's beautiful. It's heritage. It's 125 years old. And the thing with it is that काफ़ी अलग vibe है from the Airbnbs that we've stayed so far. Personally, if you ask me, I was very, very reluctant to come here and stay because I am somebody who likes contemporary, modern design. But if you like something that is like heritage and beautiful and like old and you know, वो एक है उसमें अलग vibe है, तो definitely give this one a try. बहुत सारी चीज़ें मतलब आई विल शो यू दैट वन थिंग दैट्स देयर इन आवर रूम जिसमें ऐसे रूफ पे शटर्स है एंड यू पुल दैट एंड वो रूफ से दोनों साइड से खुल जाता है एंड यू कैन गेट सनलाइट डायरेक्टली इन द रूम. सो देयर आर सम रियली रियली ब्यूटिफुल थिंग्स हियर एंड या सो for now we are headed to this place which is a spice plantation, and once that's done we are going to go for poi making, which I'm so excited about because as you know I love pav. I am an absolute Mumbai girl and I love pav, and pav ka hi Goan bhai is poi. So whenever I'm in Goa I love poi, so we're going to go for poi making, and then we have a cycling tour of this place which is a very unseen village. So me and Maddie are going to go for that, and Adi and May are going to go for gin whiskey making. Can you see how much I'm sweating? It's that hot. Okay, so that's where they're going to go, and then in the evening I think we're all going to go to Adimari's villa and chill. So yeah, that's the plan, and let's go. The thing that I was talking about is this mechanism. 1 second, so May is going to pull this and wait. धीरे यार, climatic है ये. वापस बंद कर. ये बॉय को ना 1 second ना. ओके, मैं तेरे को शूट करूंगी फिर ऊपर शूट करूंगी. ओके, रेडी? 1 2. यस, इट्स सो कूल. इट्स सो कूल, राइट? या, इट्स अमेजिंग हाउ इतनों से 2 लाइट्स, मतलब 2 सिर्फ खाचों से इतनी लाइट आ गई है रूम में. सो बेसिकली गोवा आके मैंने मेरे आउटफिट के हिसाब से कस्टमाइज्ड ऑटो बनवाया है. ओके, दिस इज माय डिज़ाइनर ऑटो. अब मैं इसमें बैठ के आऊँगी. इट्स मैचिंग विथ मे ऑल्सो बिकॉज क्लियरली दिस ट्रिप का हमारा कलर इज वाइट एंड ब्लू.
She's right.
इट्स वाइट एंड ब्लू फॉर द राइड.
You're matching with the auto. I'm so proud of myself. Aesthetics कम नहीं होना चाहिए.
तो मुंबई में तो येलो और ब्लैक लेके घूमना पड़ेगा. बहुत गर्म है. आई मीन ऑफ कोर्स नो सरप्राइजेस देयर. मतलब हम बाहर ऐसे शूट करके गाड़ी में बैठ जाते हैं ना, ऐसा लगता है भाई इधर से उतरे ही नहीं, है ना भाई?
What's being fun?
इट्स सो मच फन. मतलब इतना मज़ा आ रहा है. हम कल से थोड़ा रात से आदिवाड़ी से मिले नहीं है, तो ऐसा थोड़ा सा मिस्ड आउट लग रहा है.
It's like amla.
It's like star fruit.
Oh yeah, it's like star fruit.
सुपारी के झाड़ का पत्ता, which is used to make a lot of things. May is not listening. He's just like Egypt all over again. मैंने तुझे पेपर का सब बताया था फार्म हाउस पे. मिरी.
Your fish is being fried over now.
Cheers. This is desi tequila. This is what my plate looks like. And that's Alvin. Hi. He's the guy who beatboxes. They've given us a sweet, which is sabudana and chana dal kheer. It's like puran and lapshi. Okay, so we're done with the spice thing, and
Story got uploaded. She was very angry with me.
you did this on purpose, no? Okay, so we're done with the spice place. We had lunch over there, and now we're headed to this bakery for poi making. Poi. Adimari first में नहीं आए थे. They had some work to finish, I think. Yeah, they were just too tired. Poi. Now we're going to go and make poi.
Adu loves poi. In fact, even I love poi a lot.
We're very Mumbai people.
I'm a very bread people.
Ready? This is my e-bike. So first attempt was good. अच्छे से कर पाए accelerate. So we've reached the chapel in absolutely 10-15 minutes, which is not bad at all. The e-bikes have helped, but we're still tired because there are steps. but it's beautiful. I think the view is gonna be really wow. Currently, rumors है कि this chapel is haunted, but it's not. He told us 2-3 points that the 3 kings were killed here, and उस वजह से बोलते हैं कि ये haunted है, but 2-3 reasoning के नहीं है क्यों लोगों को क्यों लगता है it's dark इस वजह से वगैरह. So it's not haunted, and people have made these stories up. And now we're on our way back. We are going to this one place where किसी के घर जा रहे हैं हम जिनके वाइफ जापानीज़ है एंड वो गोवन है एंड उनके घर हम चाय पीने जा रहे हैं. चाय. This is the place that we've been to. It's beautiful. It's absolutely beautiful. See? So the update after cycling was that we packed our bags from that Airbnb and came to Adi Maddie's Airbnb. And because we were like everybody was coming here for dinner, so we thought that we just pack our bags, come here, stay for the night, so that tomorrow to the airport we can go together. So that's what we did. And this is their villa with an infinity pool, very beautiful. This is a very contemporary villa. Ours was more of like a heritage property. So both have their own beauty. Both are equally like मतलब valuable बोलता है ना ऐसा. ये बहुत सुंदर है. This is 6 floors and has like a very nice hot tub and like an infinity pool and all of that. So yeah, so that's how it is. And now we're just going to like chill in the room and crash. So yeah, good night. Okay, so that's it. We're just checking out and I'll see you. Bye.